this season. The 1-0 pitch to Robbie. Swing and a high fly ball. Deep right field. Rios going back to the one. He tracked to the wall. Leaps up and it's gone. Up near the fountains. Robinson Cano with a home run. His 18th home run of the season. Already the second home run of the inning and of the game. Seager and Cano with home runs here in the top of the first. And the Mariners have a 2-0 lead.
Crushed to right field towards the fountains, and this is going to have a splash landing. This is destroyed by Cano. Home run number 2 from Robinson Cano tonight in as many at-bats. Zero question about the fate of that pitch.
Cano hits it out into the water in center field. Now 19 home runs on the year.